Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the perimeter. Change verification level to medium or high and enable Audit Log Now. Assign a small, trusted moderation role with Manage Server, Kick, and Ban permissions only. Make sure those people have 2FA enabled. Create a temporary lockdown role that removes send messages and add reactions from everyone, then apply it to public channels. Once applied, you limit damage immediately, while you identify intruders and prepare selective restores. Now you dig through evidence, scan the audit log for burst joins, mass message deletions, and role changes, filtering by time and action. Use moderation bots to mass ban accounts matching criteria, new account age, identical username patterns, or same join timestamp. Revoke any roles that were assigned during the incident and immediately rotate all server invites to invalidate compromised links. Once done, whitelist trusted bots and accounts to prevent false positives while you clean up. Finish by restoring channel permissions from your backup or manual notes. Reintroduce content gradually and enable slow mode on high-traffic channels. Tighten role permission boundaries. Remove administrator where not required, enable explicit invite approvals, and audit all bot scopes for excessive access. Make sure your moderation team performs a second pass to catch missed accounts. If things go wrong, check bot scopes and role hierarchy first. These usually block mass actions. Also verify Discord status before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.